Hi everyone, this is Stephen Zhou from A Motoring Centers. Today we're going to talk about how to do the optimization questions for the Calculus 1's course. Okay, so in Calculus 1, optimization question is definitely the hardest questions in exams. Okay, a lot of students are afraid these kind of things because it seems so unpredictable. Okay, we don't know what kind of questions they're going to throw to us. Okay, so I categorized the old optimization question into three major types. Today we're going to talk about the first type. We call it the constrain goal functions. Constrain goal type. Okay, so what means constraint? We have something limited us, and then we try to achieve same thing. Okay, so let's read the question here. A farmer wants to build a yard that he has a 200 meter of fence. How to make a dimension to make sure the yard as large as possible? So suppose we want to build a yard like this, right? Yard like that. So this is an old series of questions. They can ask you to build yard like that, right? They can ask you to build a yard like that. Or they also want you to build a yard like these things, and then this is the river here, so you don't have to build this part. Basically, you don't have to build this part. All right, this is all the same questions here. All right, so let's use this one as an example here. Okay, so we're going to achieve our goal to making the yard as large as possible. And we cannot say, okay, let's say 1 billion for the length, 1 billion for the width. It's not okay. Why? Because we have a limited number of fence. So this is our constraint functions. In these kind of questions, we're going to use our constraint function and then substitute into our goal functions. Okay, let's make our constraint function first. So we can say dimension, right? What we want. We want the dimensions, which is the length and the width here. So in this shape, we have 1, 2, 3, 3x and 2y here. So 3x plus 2y, going to use our old fence, must be equal to 200. This one, you see the equal sign. You see the left hand side and right hand side. You can see these things. This one must be a constraint function. Functions here. All right. We have our constraint functions. What is our goal function? Our goal function is simple. Basically, area equal to x times y. That's all. Okay, so what we have two variables here. We cannot solve this, but we can use our constraint function to eliminate one variables. Okay, we're trying to eliminate y here. So we're making the constraint function become 2y equal to 200 minus 3x. So y equal to this one divided by 2, 100 minus 3 over 2x. That is y. Okay, so we're going to apply the y in here. We're going to substitute y in this place. Okay, a equal to x times y. Y is what? 100 minus 3 over 2x. Okay, now let's apply in times in. 100x minus 3 over 2x squared. That's a. Okay, a prime equal to what? A prime equal to 100x, derivative equal to 100 minus x squared, derivative will be 2x, will be 3x here, equal to 0. Y is 0 because we want to make the derivative equal to 0 so that we can find our critical point. Critical point may be the maximum, maybe the minimum. In this case, we don't need to worry about because what? Minimum is what? Minimum is x times y equal to 0. Right? This is minimum. So it's not applying here. So we just solve this critical point and then we assume it is maximum point. Okay, so 100 minus 3x equals 0, so be x equal to 100 divided by 3 meters. Alright? So same thing here. if we are asking about these things, we can say x 2x plus 1 2 3 4 4 y's. In here will be 3x plus 2 y's here. In here will be what? 2x, 3x, and 1 y here. It is not no big differences here. Basically, making the constraint function a little bit different, and the goal function always the same. And then we derivative the goal function, make them equal to zeros, and then we can find out the things what we want. That is the easiest type of the constraint function and goal functions here, goal types. So in next sections, we're going to talk about how to use do with other two type of questions. Thank you for watching.